Hello viewers, today we are talk about Tang Wemin. Tang Wemin, a contemporary Chinese realist artist. Tang Wemin is distinguished contemporary Chinese artist celebrated for his mastery in traditional Chinese portraiture with a unique blend of realism and symbolism. Born in 1971 in the Hunan province of China, Tang's work reflect a deep connection to Chinese history, culture, and traditional aesthetic, yet they also display a universal appeal with emotional resonance that transcend culture boundaries. His career has garnered international recognition, marking him one of the blending figures in Chinese contemporary realism. Tang Wemin was born into a family that deeply appreciated art and culture, which provided him with an early exposure to the world of painting. Growing up in the lush rural surrounding of Hunan province, the natural beauty of his homeland profoundly influenced his artistic sensibility. Tang was fascinated by the renaissance of Chinese history and traditional forms of artistic expression from a young age, which would become a central theme in the later works. His formal training began when he enrolled in the Fine Arts Department of Hunan Normal University, where he studied under permanent Chinese artists. This rigorous academic environment honed his skill in classical realism, and it was during this time that Tang began to develop his signature style, combining the technical precision of Western realist painting with the narrative depth and symbolic richness of traditional Chinese art. Upon graduating, he worked as a professional painter, gradually building a name for himself in the Chinese art world. Tang Wemin's art is rooted in the meticulous techniques of realism, but his work stands out for its deep connection to Chinese heritage. He is particularly known for his captivating depiction of Chinese women, often dressed in traditional Han Chinese clothing with serene expression and graceful postures. His subjects are frequently get against minimalist of backgrounds which allow the weavers to focus on their detailed features and his intricate patterns of their clothing. Tang draw heavily on the classical Chinese ideal of beauty, where femininity, grace, and quiet dignity are emphasized. His portraits often evoke a scenes of timelessness, as if the woman in this painting exists outside of any particular historical or modern context. This approach not only celebrates traditional Chinese aesthetic but also evoke a feeling of nostalgia for a more serene, harmonious world. One of the defining characteristics of Tang's work is his use of symbolism. His painting often incorporate elements from Chinese mythology, folklore, and physiology. For example, He frequently includes motifs such as lotus flower, which is Chinese cultural symbolize purity and spiritual elements, which represent the bright and grace. These elements add layers of meanings to his portraits, allowing viewers to engage with the works on multiple levels. While Tang's is deeply inspired by traditional Chinese culture, his work also reflects the influence of Western classical realism. His attention to anatomical accuracy, lighting, and the use of chiaroscuro techniques give his portrait a lifelike quality, making theme visually striking and emotionally evocative. This blending of Eastern and Western artistic tradition has contribution to his broad appeal both in China and internationally. Over there, Tang Swi Min has exhibited his work extensively both within China and abroad. His work have been shown in prestigious galleries and exhibitions, including in the United States, Europe, and across Asia. His art has attracted collectors from around the world, and his portraits have been prized for their technical brilliance and emotional depth. One of his most significant exhibitions was in the United States, where his works were showcased alongside other country contemporary Chinese artists. This marked an important moment in Tang's career as it introduced his art to a wider international audience. His ability to convey universal themes of beauty, grace, and introspection through a distinctly Chinese lens resonated with viewers from different cultural backgrounds. In addition to also solo exhibition, Tang has participated in group show and art fairs, further establishing his reputation as a leading figure in contemporary realist art. His paintings are sought after by collectors and have been featured in major art publications, further cementing his status in the global art market. Tang women work bridge the gap between traditional Chinese art and contemporary expression. His paintings serve as a visual narrative of China, rich culture, heritage while incorporating modern techniques and global influence by depicting the beauty of Chinese women through the lens of classical realism. Tang celebrates not only traditional Chinese ideals of beauty but also the universal human experience. In many ways, Tang's art reflects the